Dear Justine, I have been praying for God to bless me with a wife since I was 18. When I was that age, I had no idea God would bless me with Justine Victoria Moore, a woman who is kind, sweet, down to earth, confident, beautiful, loving, forgiving, funny, and most of all, my best friend.
Cody, today is the day that we will remember for the rest of our lives. Today is the day that we tell our grandchildren about. I feel so overwhelmed with emotions, it's hard to put into words, but I'll try. You are a gift from God. When I think of how we were when we connected for the first time, I know that God brought us together. You are my better half, my best friend. When I look at you, I truly see an amazing future. You make me a better person. Help me see God good in everyone.
Justine, your outlook on life and your amazing attitude drives me to be a better man. You have such a loving heart. You bring out the best in me. I truly believe God made me for you and you for me. I love you with all my heart, forever and always, Cody Davis.
You are an amazing man who I will be an amazing wife for. Thank you for loving me when I am unlovable, when I am sad, and when I am the worst version of myself. I hope to be the wife you deserve, and I will never stop trying. Cody Hunter Davis, I am so ready to be your wife. Love you every day of your life. Let's get hitched.
Do you take Justine to be your wife? Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and honor her all the days of your life?
I do.
Justine, do you take Cody to be your husband? Do you promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
I do.
The Lord in his kindness strengthen the consent you have declared before the church, and graciously bring to fulfillment within you. What God joins together, let no one put asunder.
Justine, receive your ring
As a sign of my love and fidelity,
as a sign of my love and fidelity.
in the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
and the Son,
and of the Holy Spirit.
Cody, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
may I be the first to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Cody.
I know it's one that Justine's looked forward to for a long time. Her mom and I first became aware of a little, I don't know, what would you call it, some feelings, right, Cole? And we've known Cody since he was really first, second grade. He was Colton's best friend. When we first saw there was a little spark of interest, Diane and I, my wife, couldn't contain ourselves. We didn't want to talk about it for fear that we jinxed it. That's how we feel about Cody.
Cody, Justine, I'm so happy to be a part of the celebration today. You two truly deserve each other.
Can't say enough about the kids, and just really glad all you guys are friends and we're able to come together for this day.
And I'm so, so proud of you and so happy for you and Cody that you found each other. He is your perfect Prince Charming, and I know that you will live happily ever after.
I couldn't be happier that you found a girl like Justine. They just complement each other. Awesome. And I just want to raise a glass toast to live every day to the fullest, and every day be a new adventure.